1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today, I just got a package here that I'm dying to unpack. I believe it might be some add-ons I got through BoxyCharm. So wondering what one of my favorite primers is. It's from the company Touch in Soul, and their Icy Sherbet Primer I have fallen in love recently. So I've gotten not one, but two. It was like, I need this in my life. This stuff is incredible. I will show you what it looks like if you are curious to know. This is the jar. And believe it or not, oil goes a long way. And it's almost like a gel. It has a very interesting texture. And it has a great scent too. But if you're not into any kind of scents or fragrances, this may not be for you. But Touch in Soul, it's this and their No Problem primer that I really love. The No Problem one that I have said it before and I'll say it again. It's very much like the Smashbox original primer. But this is what it looks like. It's like a gel. I mean, look at that. It looks like a frosted, almost ice cream like texture. This stuff is delicious, and it just really, that's the texture there if you could see. And I just put this on my face and it feels very cooling. It's like a gel. And I just put it on the prime area, which is usually around here. As you can tell, that's where I'm most red. And just a little on my here as well. But this is my T-zone. And I just like press it in as best I can. And it just feels absolutely delicious. Just a little bit more here. And a little bit more to my nose, forehead, and here. And it just feels so good. So I highly recommend if you're looking for a primer or you're just curious about having like a certain texture. This stuff is amazing. Touch in Soul, beautiful. Oh, this is from SB2 by Sutra, and this is their rejuvenating hair serum. I've heard such good things about them, and I think I saw in one of my last makeup conventions that they were there, and I really liked the serum, so I was glad to get it full size. Oh, here we go. It's from House Laboratories. This is Lady Gaga's brand, if I remember correctly. And I'm wondering if this is a palette. I'm loving the gradient texture there. I don't know if this is an eye palette or something, but we'll find out. So beautiful. I don't know, all her packaging seems to be fairly reminiscent of each other, like the gold, the silver, and the black. So this kind of reminds me of her perfume. It's called Glam Room Number 1. I can see that there. That is gorgeous. There's a black in here, a beautiful purple, some browns, a little bit of a rose, a peach, another shimmer, a gray, it looks like. Very interesting color layout. I thought this was gray, but there's actually a very pale pink, but it appears gray to my eyes on camera, like a pale gray. So this will be interesting to see. But I will feature this alone in a future video, but I just wanted to show what this looks like. So I finally have a palette from House Laboratories. I am giddy about this, and it's super chic packaging. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And just so I'll show you what this is about, I'm gonna put this here gently. This is the hair serum. Because it's the end of summer and my hair, you know, I've tried to protect it as best I could, but it's still a bit dry, to say the least. This is their rejuvenating hair serum. Directions: apply directly to hair, spreading evenly from root to ends. Oh, from root to ends, okay. For best results, use on damp hair prior to blow drying, or apply to dry hair immediately after heat styling to seal split ends and prevent moisture loss. First ingredient in here, can I pronounce it? Dimethicone is number 2, with the mythical note number 3. Ooh. So there you go, and there it is. And it looks kind of, I don't want to say goopy, but it looks pretty thick. So I'm just going to put it on here so you can see what it looks like. Yep. See that? Oof. Does it? And it's like a smoked glass, so be careful not to drop this. Just saying. So that's what it looks like. Kind of goopy. I guess it's sort of a finish for your hair. My hair is slightly damp because I just finished washing it. So now I'm just running it through, and I conditioned the heck out of my hair. So I went to the beach. I'm planning to go back to the beach, so the wind and the salt air and the water, yeah, the sun, they all do a number on your hair. It doesn't say how much to put in, but I shall read up on the instructions and follow up with that. But that's it. It seems a little calmer. Then again, there it is. And that's all she wrote for my BoxyCharm add-ons. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you check, are you a charmer first of all? And do you habitually check in for the add-on and edit sales that go on throughout the month with BoxyCharm? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me, and I hope to see you on my next adventure. Until then, stay safe, take care.